Go. I
Yeah.
go.
Okay. Yep. Well, let's start.
Wondering about the casino square. They go left. We go right, but they go left, okay? We're arriving to the airpin before the Louvre, turn to be now the Fairmont. Now we're entering into the famous tunnel that they drive like 280 kilometers.
Okay. What speed?
280 kilometers.
But in the tunnel.
Inside the tunnel, 280 kilometers. And
Okay.
they have to reduce,
Yeah.
you don't see it, but they put 200, 100 kilometers.
Yeah.
And up to that the chicane.
Yeah.
Maybe some of them could be close to 300 kilometers, I don't know. But that's the minimum, that's average speed limit. They do 280 kilometers here.
Yeah.
And somewhere here, this is signed 200. After that, 100 kilometers.
Okay.
And after that, the chicane that we won't be able to see because
Yeah.
it's not the Grand Prix yet. They go left, okay?
Yeah. We're going around the swimming pool.
Nearby. We're not there yet.
Yeah. No. Okay. Thank you.
Over there, the big Tribune Quay.
Yeah, yeah. Perhaps you can show me where Prince Albert is standing.
By the starts.
Yes.
Just across the starts. Just across the pole position.
Okay.
Nearby.
Yeah.
You mean the Prince Tribune?
Is it very expensive to buy a ticket?
Yes. The VIP tribunes over there for one day, on Sundays, 1,200 euros.
Okay.
One person.
Oh,
Because
that's...
here you can see the pit, where they refill, where they change the tires is over there.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's why they pull up the VIP tribunes over there.
Okay.
Imagine that, 1,200 euros just for one day, for 2 hours of race.
Okay.
It's not that expensive. How can you call that? Peanuts? No.
Yeah.
So they go left here. You can see one of the winner of the...
Oh, yes, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Fangio. And the other one is Mosley.
Yeah. And the goal is here somewhere.
The what?
Is it here they stop?
Yeah, what are you talking about? You want me to stop you by the Prince Tribune?
Okay.
It's at the pole position.
Okay, yeah.
It's right there by the pole position. You stand underneath there. Just right here. By the pole position.
Okay.
Right here across. Right there.
Aha, okay.
The pole
Yeah.
is there and the Prince Tribune is right here.
Yeah,
They pull
yeah.
up something from right there.
All right. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, again the bus in the back.
Yep.
So you want to stop
Yeah,
here?
just stop the camera here.
In 25 euros for me.
Yep.
My age.
Here we have the driver.
Yeah, I was not really a fan of driving.